So, hey everybody. I just had a brain fart. Alright, so this is just gonna be a quick video, a tutorial video showing you how to box braid, how to actually put the braid in your head. As you can see, these box braids are old, but I did them myself. And so, we just about to jump straight in. I don't want it to be that long because I know you hate, well, me personally, I hate sitting through a long video that just talk. So, we're just gonna get to it. Alright, so for this hairstyle, I used 6 packs of the Connect-A-Long braided hair, the FX kind, the one that is real long, 64 inches. This is how long this is, and I cut it. So you know how it comes folded up. I cut it just one time, and then boom, I used it like that because I wanted it to be real long, whatever. Which you can also achieve long box braids if you cut it twice, but you would just have to stretch the hair a lot. So that just saved me some extra trouble that I didn't have to go through. So right now I'm just taking this box braid out. I got my daughter over here trying to hurry before so she don't start crying. Might have to do a little intermission in a minute. Okay, but yeah, so my name is Anaya for those of you who don't know. And I'm gonna be making videos about hair, fitness, all that kind of artsy crafty stuff. That's what I like. Informational videos. Also, you guys. Okay, so I am starting to get my own hairline. Ooh, ah. That was so cliche. But anyway, I'm starting up my own hairline. And I'm gonna be selling bundles. I wanna eventually venture out and start selling like bundles, lip gloss, lotion, organic though. That's my difference. It's gonna be organic. Cause have you ever sat and thought about the products that you use and what ingredients are actually in it? Like, if you really sit back and think, like that's why I really have stopped eating a lot of foods. Like I don't eat processed meat. I don't eat pork. I don't eat a lot of foods because I just really dug into how this stuff is made and all of that. And it just, oh Lord, it really just made me look totally different about things that I eat. But yes, I do have my own hairline. And for right now, I do have a vendor, but I'm currently searching for another one. So you can order, and I'm going to drop my website link below. My prices are affordable. They're not too high. This is not 10A grade hair. This is not 9A. It will probably be about 7A hair, but it will last you as long as you take care of it. And I can also drop maintenance videos, styling videos. I'm also going to drop those too. But my company is called Monet's Vision Hair Extensions and More. And the and more part is coming soon. That's when I mentioned I want to start selling like lotions and lip gloss and all of that. But yes, that was just a brief little introduction to my website. So you guys shop with me. My prices are affordable. If you look for some quality hair for a low price, hit me up. I'm telling you, this hair will last you. But yes, back to the tutorial. Alright, so as you can see, I have took this out. This is my part. This is the part. Alright, so this is what I do. Alright, so I split it into 3 pieces. I try to split it into 3 even pieces. So we're just gonna part it like that, part it like this. Alright, and this is the hair. So let's say you just got done stretching it. I know, boo boo, I know. I gotta hurry up. Just got done stretching it. So it would look like this. Just pull it apart, it stretched everything. It's stretched. Alright, this is the whole strand. What you want to do is, as you can see, pull a section off about less than half, because this is going to be one strand. These are going to be your other two strands. Alright, and then this is how I install it. Other people do it differently, but this is how I do it. Alright, so this is the smaller piece. This is the other piece. You're going to put the small piece on top of the big piece, like this. You just got it crossed, like this. Alright, so this is what I did. Small, big, and I just put it on top. There we go. Alright, this is the big piece. Fold it up. And I'm just doing it, holding it like that so you can see. Alright, so now you have 3 strands. This was the small piece. You see is 1 strand. These are your other 2 strands. Alright, so from here, some people can just install it like this, but it's easier for me when I take the 2 pieces of it. I place my pointer finger, so I'm placing it, inserting it in through here. Boom. And I'm using this finger and my thumb to grip it. Boom. Like that. So, boom. You see those? Gripping it. Alright. Make sure you're holding it tight. And then, I take this one. I use my pointer and my thumb. Grip it here. And I just go under. Let me try to do this again. Under like that. I hope y'all can see that. All I did was take this piece, go into like a loop action, and you just want to cross it back through the middle. So you got these 2, you're doing the loop and you putting it back in the middle between those. Boom. So now you see how I'm holding this? Have your hand like this. Boom. Alright, and so you want to place it here and grab it, your 3 strands. So with this one, you want to have 1 section of hair. Where did it go? Alright, you got 1 section of hair here. And then for the other ones, you want to grab another section with it. So therefore, you have your real hair separated with the braided hair. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, so now you're going to grab the outside strand. Make sure it's tight the whole time. Keep your hand at the root so it can be tight. Alright, and you just gonna do, and you need to know how to plait, so just do a regular plait. Boom. There we go. Keeping it tight, don't pull too tight because you don't want it to pull out your edges or anything, but you know, keep it firm at the root. If you start going away, your braid's not gonna be tight, so keep it to your head and just plait it. And you see how I'm combing this out as I'm braiding? That helps the hair from not to get tangled. Boom. And we're just gonna keep plaiting it. Keep plaiting it. And if you have colored box braids and you don't want your real hair to show, all you do is tuck your real hair underneath the braided hair when you braid. And yes, that takes practice, but you'll get it. This also takes practice, so your braid may or may not look like mine as your first time doing it, but don't give up, honey, because I'm telling you, you're going to get it. Trust me, you're going to get it. Alright, and so for me, at this point, I take my braid and bring it to the front because it's easier. This is where the plait comes in. Boom, we just cross it. If you don't know how to plait, there's a brief tutorial on that. Crossing. Alright. and then there you have it. You know, feel free to replay this video as much as you can. I hope it helped everyone who needed it. And you see how my hair is sticking out here? As you can see, that's my hair. Alright, so when that happens, I take it out. My baby doll. When that happens, I take it out. And I just make sure that my real hair is covered with the braided hair. So for one, it won't show, and for two, it won't be sticking out. So boom. Which my hair is showing because I wasn't really focused on it. You know, I was just more focused on y'all seeing how to put it in. And I know my camera quality is not that great. I'm using my laptop because I don't have a tripod for my camera yet, so just bear with me. But it will get better with time, you know. Everything happens on time. God's plan. Alright, and so there we have it though, y'all. Thank y'all so much for clicking on my video. Like I said, I hope it helped. If you have any questions, feel free to chat with me, communicate, because I will respond. And also, make sure check out my website. Support me. If you have any questions about the hair, where it comes from, all of that, just ask me and I'll tell you. Okay, of course I'm not gonna tell you my vendor, but I will tell you what type of hair if you want. I'm not gonna go into that because that's going to be a longer video. But y'all, and you see how I kind of started getting sloppy with it. But you want to make sure you pull tight when you braid. Alright, so I'm not gonna finish braiding this. Alright, thank y'all again. Clicking on my video. Make sure you check out my website, monaysvision.bigcartel.com. Hair is Monet's Vision, Hair Extensions and More. That's the name of my company. You know, so just let me know actually what y'all want to see. If you anything that you want me to have, you know, something that you see that I have on or doing or whatever, just let me know. But once again, thank y'all, and tune back in later. subscribe so you can know when I drop a video. I'm gonna be dropping tutorials, all that kind of stuff. So it's gonna be fun. Thank y'all again. I'm out.